Hello, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So if you guys saw the title of this video, you know it is my annual Black Friday haul. I did post a full vlog of my experience. We woke up very early, went to the Cabazon outlets out by Palm Springs where they have a bunch of luxury stores, regular stores, and just general great savings. All of these stores are outlets, so they're already kind of discounted, so like Black Friday there is just even better. But before I get into the full haul, be sure you take the time right now and subscribe. Also be sure to hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post new videos every single week. Also look out for my vlog. I'll definitely post it and link it here so you guys can watch it after this video. But yeah, without further ado, let's get to the haul. Alright, so first up on this haul, I feel like I have to start with a classic Black Friday store, which is Lululemon, and we have not one, but two bags from Lululemon, and the Lululemon outlet is literally insane. The line starts at 4:30 in the morning. It takes an hour to wait. Like, it is crazy, but the deals are also kind of crazy, so it kind of makes it worth it. And you'll see. So let me open up this bag. Bigger one is things I got myself. This one is things I got Jake, my husband. So let's dive into it. The first item, I guess you can call this a little pack of two because these are pretty much the same thing in just different colors. So I got these super cute little sports bras, and they have the little like Lululemon on the front. They have the little logo on the back. These are also have the option to be razor back. It has the little hooks right here, so you can hook it, make it a razor back. This is padded, has removable padding. It's just super cute, like just a super cute workout bra. I got it in pink, and I also got it in this green color. I saw it in this green color first, and this is like so gorgeous. And then I saw they also had it in pink. And pro tip, if you happen to find yourself at the Lululemon outlet in Cabazon, they do have extra sizing in the back. So a lot of outlet stores, they just have what's out, but Lululemon, like, they got some stock. So I was trying this on in different sizes, and they were able to just pull a million of these from the back. Yeah, so if you don't see your size, ask somebody, they probably have your size. So I got these two little sports bras, and these were $39 with an extra, I want to say 30% off. Let's see if I can do the math here. Yeah, these went down to $19. So originally though, these are $48. So these are $48, got them from $19. As always, I'll do a little tracker at the bottom of the screen, some here of total savings. I feel like it's always fun to see. At least for myself, it's fun to see. It makes me feel a little bit better. But yeah, so I got two of these, $19 each. And then I also got another sports bra, and this one is so pretty. This teal, green, blue, aqua color. This is just such a pretty color, and what I love most about this one is the back. This is so fun. It's all these little crisscross details, and it's actually quite a thin band in the actual back there. So this is super open back, and you know me, I love a good open back sports bra. I feel like it's a necessity. But yeah, super cute. This also has removable padding in it. It has more of like a swoopy neckline than the other one, and this one I believe also marked down. What was it marked down to? I think this one was also $19. Yeah. So this one was also $19. I'll have to find the original price of this one. I'll research it and then insert it and put it in here. But yeah, all three of these, $19 each. Really great savings. And then my favorite item, well, all of these are kind of my favorite, but my actual like favorite item that I found from Lululemon. These are so cool. So I got these like cargo-y pants. They are so fun. So they're this kind of stretchy waist. I have these super cute pockets on the side, and then they're more of like a wide yoga pant at the bottom, and just the fabric on this is so soft. It's so comfortable and just such good quality. Like Lululemon, you're gonna get great quality every single time. These ones are originally $148. Over $100 pants, but I got them for, in front of my handy dandy receipt again, $69. So kind of a steal of a deal there. Yeah, we did great. So that is what I found for myself at Lululemon. And then some items that I found Jake. I found him a couple of workout shorts. So here is the first pair. They're these very electric blue shorts, and these are, I think, the 5-inch ones. Yeah, super cute, super fun. He loves like the short workout shorts. I also got them in a more navy blue color, but same idea, same style. They have little pockets on the side, which is nice, and a zippered pocket. So like, got something important, you gotta zip up in there. You have that option. And these ones were both originally, I think, $68. Yes, these are $68 marked down to $49, and then also the percentage savings on top of that. I do not have the receipt in this bag. All right, quick detour. Me and my brother-in-law just found two dogs wandering and they found their own home, but we kind of walked them there, so good deed. Good deed of the month. All right, anyways, back to the Black Friday haul. So these are the two shorts I got Jake for working out, and then we also have one more item. So we got two shorts and a shirt. It's like a regular, I don't know, workout t-shirt, kind of the vibe here. This one originally $78, on sale for $59, and then on top of that, I again forgot the percentage. I will double check the receipt, but there was savings on top of that. So all in all, a very good deal. So if you're looking for an outlet, highly recommend Lululemon, as very much worth the stop, even though it took forever to wait in line. You get good deals, you get good savings. All right, so in the theme of activewear, I also have some items. So again, another split between me and Jake. I'll show you guys his items first. So this is a pair of sweatpants. These are super soft. I got these for him last year and he wore them a lot, so I figured why not get them again this year. That makes sense. Also, I do like to every year get him like a little matching set, and these are the bottoms. I didn't actually find the top at the outlet, unfortunately. Oh, we got a Vuori sighting. We got a corgi. Hi. Oh my goodness, he's so cute. He's so cute. I'm gonna have to ask parental consent if I can put you on the internet. All right, so back to the pants. So these are the pants. I do like to get Jake a matching set. I could not find the top at the outlet. I honestly think I got there too late because there wasn't that much left in a size medium. But, however, I did, use my sleuthing skills, and I found the exact colorway of these pants, and so I searched that on Vuori's website, and I found the top for it. So unfortunately, the top was not on sale, not on the outlet Black Friday deal, but it's still gonna be a nice little set. And these ones were a really great deal. I think the whole store was like 25 or 30% off. These are originally $78. Let me see if I printed out the receipt. I might have gotten this receipt online. Let me check. Let me find the final price for you guys. All right, so unfortunately, Vuori did not itemize the receipt for me, but it looks like in total, I got 20% off. So 20% off, $78. Feels like a good deal, better than paying full price. So we got these, and then I also got him this really nice button up, which I thought is very cool. Just kind of like a nice little elevated everyday shirt. Probably can wear it to work. It is kind of lightweight though, which is, I guess, nice, could wear it all year round. Yeah, so this one is 20% off, but originally, I guess we got some original prices on here. So this was originally $94, marked down to $56, and then 20% off on top of that. Good savings on men's clothes. And then some items I found for me. I got a couple sports bras. So this is the first one. It's kind of just simple. I feel like everybody needs like a good black sports bra. So that is this one. The back is really cute too. It has kind of this little crisscross detail and a little Vuori on the back. This does have removable padding. So this is originally $58, marked down to $29, and then an extra 20% off that. So really great savings. And then this sports bra. This is such a fun color. So this has more of like a little swoopy neckline and then kind of more of a simple back on there. Also removable padding. This one is originally $48, marked down to $25, and then an extra 20% off on top of that. So great deals on sports bras. I will just mention, little hack if you are going to the Vuori outlet, different colors and different styles are all marked down a little bit differently. So I always like to literally like go through and check the rack and see which ones are already marked down a little bit more. So just a little tip, you can find extra savings if you take the time to kind of look through and see which ones are marked down more than others. So that is these two, and then I did find some leggings. So here they are. They're this kind of like light gray, kind of bluish color. They have the little pockets on the side. They have the little zipper in the back, so just kind of like their classic leggings. These ones are originally $89, marked down to $36, and then again, another 20% off that. So really great savings on all of this stuff. And then part of their Black Friday deal is they threw in a free beanie, so I also got a free Vuori beanie. That's fun. This is originally $28, marked down to free. So yeah, it's kind of nice. It just has like a little Vuori logo. Very simple. But yeah, so that is our Vuori haul. Pretty good savings. All right, so that is kind of the workout items of the haul. I'll move on to, I guess, our last clothing items. So we did just pop into Tilly's real quick, kind of last minute. Their Black Friday deal was, I think, buy one, get one 50% off. I didn't really go too crazy here. I just got some tank tops. So these are just their basics. This is kind of like an oatmeal-y color, and then I got one in white. Nothing crazy, just a couple tank tops. I think originally they're $9.99, so buy one, get one half off. My total, not good at quick math here. I saved $5 and the total was $16.14 for two tank tops. So that's our last little clothing item, and then moving on to some bigger purchases of the day. So next up, we've got some sunglasses, and I got these from Solaris, which apparently is the same as Sunglass Hut. I don't know why they're different, but when I was purchasing these, the girl said that they're like the same brand. So if you have any problems or need sizing or whatever for your sunglasses, I guess you can just take them into Sunglass Hut and they'll do it for you for free, fix the sizing and all of that. So that was a fun fact I didn't know. And I was on a hunt, on a mission to get a very particular pair of sunglasses. I was telling my friends that I was looking for the vibe of like Robert Downey Jr., the like yellow lenses, something fun and very different from the sunglasses I currently own. And we did find some. This was a huge success. So I got these from Tom Ford, and the deal at Sunglass Hut or Solaris was 30% off all of their styles, and for their Black Friday deals they were having certain brands like also included. Normally they're excluded from the deal, and Tom Ford was one that they said was included in the deal for the Black Friday weekend or Black Friday promotion. So kind of a win there. Normally they aren't discounted. I will mention I did also go to the actual Tom Ford outlet and they were not discounting sunglasses there. So I kind of feel like I got a good deal with that because the actual outlet wasn't discounting them, but Sunglass Hut was. So I'll show you guys. Nice little fancy Tom Ford case. It's all like textured and velvety. And so these are the sunglasses. If you see in my vlog, I literally just started wearing these the rest of the day after I got them because why not? So here are the sunglasses. You can see that they're this like yellowy frame color, which like I said was the vibe. They're also, they call it photochromatic. So it's kind of like the idea of if you've ever had transition lenses from your regular glasses. These are a little bit lighter when they're indoors and then get darker as the sun is more intense. So that's kind of fun. But yeah, these are super cute, very fun. Yeah, and they were 30% off, 40% off. Let's see what the savings was here. So 30% off Black Friday deal. So I saved $157 $2.50 on these sunglasses. Such a good deal and such a win. I will also note that Sunglass Hut online, I was like researching to see what the original price was. These specific sunglasses actually were not included on the online sale. And then again, I checked the Tom Ford website, not just the outlet, and they were also not discounted there either. So just justifying myself, I felt like this was a really, really good deal and a steal of a sale. All right, and now we're already down to our last item. I was kind of bummed. I had to pre-order a couple other items while I was shopping to be delivered to the house because I didn't have my exact size in store. So I guess I'll be doing a second Black Friday part 2 unboxing once those come in. Vuori's back. Alright, so as I was saying, I will be doing a little part 2 unboxing to show you guys 2 more shoe items that I got while shopping out but had to get ordered to the house. Anyways, though, for our last item that's actually physically here right now, we did get something from the Prada outlet, which that was another line similar to the Lululemon line that literally took like an hour to wait in. It was actually so worth it. So the Prada outlet actually had some really good deals. I feel like sometimes some of the more luxury brands really limit what their deals are because they're already outlet stores, they're already marked down, so you normally don't see as much savings at them, but when you do find them, they are like really, really good. But yeah, Prada actually surprisingly had some really good deals just off the bat, which is probably why the line was so long in the first place to get there. The people know what's up. All right, so this was another particular mission that I was on. I was looking for some more neutral shoes to wear to work, just like everyday workwear shoes, and I did find some really fun shoes. And here's the box. So little Prada box. All right, so I got a little bit of an unboxing here. A little tissue paper. And here they are. They're these little leather kind of like boat shoe loafer deals. I kind of call these like funky grandma shoes, but in the best way. I feel like these are so fun and just a very nice neutral. Honestly, exactly what I was looking for, something that I could wear to work, something that's neutral, nothing too crazy. I love the little like Prada on the front with the little bow. Super, super cute. I originally saw these in white and they unfortunately, but honestly not surprisingly, didn't have my size in them, but they did have them in this tan color, and honestly, I feel like the tan was even better because I think this is gonna match a lot more probably than like a stark white. But yeah, so these are our little work shoes, and I was honestly surprised that I had this success. The line was super long though, so I would have honestly been really sad if I didn't find anything and I waited in line for an hour. I'll tell you guys, oh, the price, the savings, the important part. So these shoes are originally, I found them online, $975, which is honestly kind of crazy for shoes. Like that's, I'll admit, that's pretty expensive. But these ones were marked down to, they are 45% off, so a total savings of $440. Which I feel like is not that bad. That's honestly probably the biggest savings that I got this trip. But yeah, so like I said, Prada outlet, there are a lot of savings. There are a lot of good deals there. So kind of worth, in my opinion, waiting in the line. But yeah, so that's our last little item from the Black Friday haul. Like I said, I do have 2 more items in the mail coming soon, hopefully. And I'll be sure to do a full unboxing of those items, share some savings as well. So if you guys enjoyed this video, little Black Friday unboxing, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, give it a like, share it with your friends. Also, be sure to leave a comment down below which item was your favorite, which one do you think was the best deal of the day. Also, while you're down there, if you have not already, please don't forget to subscribe. I really, really appreciate it. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in the next one. So full embarrassment mode. I have an audience watching me. just hanging. And the dog. And the dog. Everyone's watching. Everyone's watching. All right. Merry Christmas. And it is what it is.